So Jerri is right now salty.
What are you talking about? Look at this smiley face.
She was just now salty, guys.
So mad right now.
She was just salty because we recorded a previous video and what?
Oh my god, Ma.
What is it?
Butterfinger pretzels.
I don't even understand what that means.
I want food.
Oh,
Hey, sexy.
Buy for me.
no.
Why not?
How are y'all doing today? Is there something you need help with?
Target has turned Edwin into a nice person. I don't like it. He speaks to everybody now. He's like, hi, how you doing? Happy holidays.
I'm mad that Twitter really be sending me notifications when people follow someone at the same time.
It's the same girl we were at yesterday. When I thought I lost the keys and then they were still in the car. That's where they were. In the car.
Oh, look at Muffin Future. She's gonna be the one that's gonna be midget. You go, girl.
Okay.
Why are you looking at
look at Kim Kardashian.
the magazine?
Yo, look at her body, yo. Or plastic surgery.
Can we not record the magazine?
Yo, y'all ODing. You really
want
ODing.
to look back at, we not advertising people.
Mommy, oh my
God.
God.
So when
You
we
doing the
famous-
most. This is what we really doing, right?
Yes, but that's only what y'all
Mommy.
were looking at. Nobody else is looking at.
Mommy.
But we're recording.
Mommy.
It's gonna be a day where you gonna be recording. You gonna be talking about
You
some
doing the
cars that
most.
nobody cares about.
You doing the most.
Right.
Get out of my
But I
face.
understood where we were coming from when Jerri was recording. Jerri be doing the She gonna hit the like this clear thing and not even know it.
Let's see what Paul's doing, guys. Hey, Paul, what you doing? Okay, Paul's looking at holiday meals.
Recipes.
Recipes.
Stand in their eye.
Can I have a quarter?
The violence is ridiculous.
Somebody called Child Protective Services.
I don't care. They can have y'all.
Excuse me. Oh, I don't think my will be surviving that.
Look at all this dough.
Mom, we're still getting pizza.
What are you doing?
Huh? Are we still getting pizza?
She's cooking fish. She's like this.
It's gonna take forever. We got unfolded.
So?
That's true.
Oh, pause recording.
I should have got some lemon juice
You make a pizza?
so I can make the lemon things.
What kind of lemon juice do you want though?
The Mars one.
Did you get any money?
It's still
Do you want to come with me, soulmate?
Do y'all even know what y'all doing?
Yes, I know what I'm doing.
Take it right now.
I should follow them.
Because they're about to mess up so bad. How you doing? You can not
Fail.
What?
The Mars one. Fail. How you know we was not gonna make it? You take yours. What you take yours? Switching my kill it. Work it. Go bucket to the club now.
I said, excuse me.
I know that.
So you wait for me to move.
I did. I didn't mean to go.
Apologize for yelling like that. Apologize for yelling like that. What did you do?
It was my
I
reaction.
didn't mean to make
was
the
my
thing.
fault. It
I
hurt.
said, excuse me.
She said, excuse me, and then the car hit me. Like,
I didn't,
So she didn't mean it. Temper much?
Yeah, relax, breathe. Cool. One mistake.
Yo, why y'all acting like I'm some like psycho case? Like I'm fine.
You acting worse, right? You making
Because y'all making me seem like I'm crazy. Like,
it seem really crazy right now, don't you?
like just because I yelled, I yelled. Okay.
But now you're getting upset though.
All right, okay, all right,
And you yelled in front.
all right, okay. All right,
You good, Muffin? You straight?
Somebody take this card.
I'm just so
Better,
many, so I'm
just
supposed
like
to do
I
that.
Did you just taste her face?
Cards, I'm talking to myself.
What?
I said, someone take this card.
Ma, look.
Oh
Y'all
yeah,
in
we
the
done with these.
way.
What?
The holiday recipes.
Where is it? Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
196.
You gotta decide what you wanna make for Christmas.
I know.
Y'all coming to my house for Christmas, right?
Yes.
are we coming? I know you know.
Huh?
I know you know we're coming. Are you coming?
I don't know.
Oh, God.
Wait, yeah, we are.
Oh,
What
okay.
happened? I told your mother we were, so we had to. We can't lie.
Yeah, that's Patty.
That would be real petty.
We could lie. We're petty.
That would be. No, we're not that kind of petty.
We're petty. Petty is petty.
We might be other kinds of petty.
Hey, Ma, can I get $1?
I'm not petty. I just want to say for the record.
Ma, can I get $1?
I'm never petty.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not petty. I said
Can I have
I'm
$1?
saving all my dollars for so I can save up enough money to buy enough coal to put in everybody's stuff.
Can I have $1 for cleaning up the car?
No, because
In the freezing
that's your
cold.
duty as a man.
I was just asking.
I thought that
You can say
whole
no.
thing was a crack.
No.
All right. But you're not petty?
You
Right.
just on my face. I was like,
What? Are we getting pizza? We can get pizza.
Oh, that would be. He'd be
If we
mad.
have to train in tomorrow, oh no. Don't forget everything I was about to say.
All right. What is this?
I don't know.
I said, alright.
Oh my God, the
Jerry, why are you not pushing it through? I want to fight her.
Jerry's about to
So bad. Are you recording? You
Yes.
Hey.
Stop getting my evilness on camera. People be like, she's so evil. At when? What are you doing?
I had a real bad moment right now. Because I called Paul his name. And it wasn't as. I don't think the camera heard it. His name. I called him. But not him. I said his name. He did not say his name. I don't know his name.
I don't know what you're even talking about. What?
Come on.
Back out into the snow.
Look at all this snow. Look at this. Well, it slowed down.
The flakes are a lot smaller.
It slowed down, but it was like a blizzard.
Was it?
Yeah.
What you looking for?
Why are we taking a cart? We did this the other day. I'll take all of that if that's the case.
This is too much confusion right now. Look out so that I can get out of the
Good
car.
night.
That's it. We're going to pizza.
Oh, why does it seem like we had so much more to do?
Because we did, but we didn't do
But
everything.
it's now snowing in the daytime.
Everybody hit. Everybody want to
The day isn't
You
gone.
asked the
It's
question,
really
we answered
early.
You need to take a chill pill today. Take the bag.
I am chill. Oh.
Hey, yo! Why am I walking by myself so far?
What?
With all the bags.
Everyone walk slowly, Muffin.
I don't want to.
How you gonna say everyone and then say only
Everyone be walk carefully, buddy.
I smell cigars.
Yeah, I do too. Yeah.
You want to walk to the gas station? I mean, we can go just there. Mommy, can you stop at the gas station?
You told me that's somewhere else too.
Yeah. I'm thinking about it. Like, I'm thinking, are you going here? Open the door for you. Alright. Oh.
All right. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.